Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a photo to your Tinder profile using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we need to do is simply go to our profile. At the top left lies your profile, simply click on it. Then this page will open up, that's your profile section. Well, from here, what you need to do is simply click on Edit Info. The button's right here, simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Right here, as you can see, I have uploaded 2 photos. Now what we want to do is upload another photo. Let's simply click on the plus icon right here. It's giving me 2 options, whether I want to upload from gallery or camera. The choice is up to you. I'm simply gonna select gallery. And this will open up. Right here, let's say this is the picture that I want to upload. I'm simply gonna click on it and hit on open. Now simply zoom in as per your wish, and once everything's okay, hit on choose. As you can see, the photo has uploaded successfully. Now let's simply click on save. And guys, there you go. That's how you upload a photo in your Tinder profile using Tinder PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.